Okay, Karnika, we are on V8 Marlborough Street, heading towards Marina Roundabout. It is known as Marina or near to the hospital roundabout. It is double roundabout. Okay, so there are two roundabouts are together. From the roundabout, examiner will ask you at the next roundabout follow the sign for Aylesbury. Okay, so the Aylesbury is in second roundabout, second exit. First roundabout, you don't need to do anything. The people make a mistake in the first roundabout. They sometimes use middle lane or right lane. If you go right lane, you can't do the Aylesbury one. You can use middle and left lane, but that is unnecessary if you use the middle lane. Okay, so from the first roundabout, keep yourself on the left lane because Aylesbury is from the second roundabout. Okay, so from the first roundabout, give a left signal, mirror after mirror. That's it. Carry on. See, there are two lanes here. Okay, both going left towards second roundabout. If you use the middle, you can use it, but that will become overtaking. Okay, so we don't want to use overtaking, unnecessary. Okay, so when you turn left from here, make sure stay in the left and look at the floor for the markings. Okay, so first roundabout is done. We turn left. Okay, second roundabout is going to be second exit, which is going to be right, but from middle lane. Yes, see, look at the middle. Yes, you can go right from the middle and right as well. Yes, right signal. Keep the right signal on throughout. Use the outer circle the way we did in Roman roundabout. See? Good. Yes, outer circle. Yes, outer circle. Nicely. Check the center left mirror. Give a left signal. Speed up, please. Very nicely done. Okay? Speed up, please. Dual carriageway. Okay? That's it. If you would have used the middle lane, that middle was overtaking lane and you would have extra pressure on you then. Okay? That's why we don't want to use the overtaking lane. Keep yourself on the left lane. That's it. This is how you have to do the the Marina roundabout. Okay? The way we did Roman. Okay? At the roundabout, turn right, third exit, please. More on the right, more on the right. That's it. Inside your lane, please. Do not overlap them. Mirror, third exit. Stay to the left. Yes, hurry up, left. There you go. Make a progress. There you go. Alright, so that's it. This is how you have to do Marina roundabout. Can I see your signal, please?